ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all. Let us welcome one who is destroyer of all obstacles, our dearest Ganesh ji. And now we are going to proceed further on our chapter number 5. Now we are almost in the last part of our chapter. Kama Krodha Viyuktanam Yatinam Yatachetasam Abhito Brahma Nirvanam Vartate Viditatmanam Abhito Brahma कामक्रोधवियुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ज्ञा वर्तते विदितात्मनाम्. Once again, I will read the shloka. कामक्रोधवियुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं वर्तते विदितात्मनां काम क्रोध वियुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम् अभितः ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं वर्तते विदितात्मनां काम क्रोध वियुक्तानां those who are separated from this kama and krodha. Kama krodha viyuktanam yata chetasam. Very important. Everywhere you will see in Gita. Whose mind is controlled, under control. They are not in the control of mind, but mind is in their control. Vidit atmanam. Vidit means one who has realized, understood their self. They are called Viditatmanam. And such people are Yati, a sage or a sannyasi. Abhitaha Brahma Nirvanam Vartate. Videha Mukti and Jivan Mukti. Right here, right now, they are free. Abhitaha on both sides means Videha Mukti and Jivan Mukti, or Jivan Mukti first and then Videha Mukti they get. जिही विषया पासोनी हिरतले चित्त आपुले आपण जिंतिले ते निश्चित जेथ सुतले चेती चिना जिही विषया पासोनी हिरतले चित्त आपुले आपण जिंतिले ते निश्चित जेथ सुतले चेती चिना जिही by those Vishayapasoni Hiratale, those who are controlled themselves from sense objects, those who have refrained themselves, disciplined themselves from these objects. Chitta apule apana jintile, one's own mind conquered by one's own self. So, apule chitta, one's own mind. Apana jintile, with the help of intellect, with the help of knowledge, they conquered it. Te nischita jetha sutale, wherever they have slept, wherever they have established cheti, china, they don't come up from that state. Means, if someone is in deep sleep, that person will get up and will come into this world. Whereas Jnani person is resting in self, and he in waking state also he is resting in self only. Dr. Narayan Maharaj Jadhav used to say, Ajnani, ignorant has three avastha, three transaction: dream, sleep, waking state. Whereas Jnani has only one avastha, that is called dream. So when he sleeps, he goes in dream only. When he get up, he is dream only. So this realized person, okay, Jetha Sutale, where he has slept, become one with Cheti, China, they don't come up, they don't rise up again from that state to I am body state. ते परब्रह्म निर्वाण जे आत्मविदांचे कारण तेची ते पुरुष जाण पंडुकुमरा ते परब्रह्म निर्वाण जे आत्मविदांचे कारण तेची ते पुरुष जाण पंडुकुमरा ते परब्रह्म निर्वाण. These people, they are Parabrahma. Okay. जे आत्मविदाचे कारण. Nirvana means moksha. So these people are moksha rupa Brahma. Brahma means moksha, moksha means Brahma. They are Brahma. जे आत्मविदाचे कारण. These people, they are means to rich enlightenment. Okay. These are means to reach enlightenment. If these people, if some ignorant comes and meets them, he will also be liberated. ज्ञानाचे जे साध्य. These people are this karana means sadhya. Uh, you can take in this way also. These people are the final goal of self-realization. Techi te purusha jana pandukumara. These people are that moksha rupa Brahma means Brahma. Atmavidache karana, they are the uh, sadhya, the goal of spirituality, goal of life. Those who have attained, they are that. Pandukumara, O Arjuna, please know it. ते ऐसे कैसे नी झाले जे देहीची ब्रह्मत्व आले हेही पुससी तरी भले संक्षेपे सांगो. ते ऐसे कैसे नी झाले जे देहीचे ब्रह्मत्व आले हेही पुससी तरी भले संक्षेपे सांगो. How this has happened? While being in this body, they got moksha. How? देहीची ब्रह्मत्व आले. हे ऐसे कैसे नाही झाले. How these people, they got separated from raga dvesha. They are the embodiment of moksha. They are the final attainment of the life. How this has happened? In this body, in this very body itself, Brahmatva ale, they have understood their Brahma. He pusasi tari bhale. If you ask this to me, Sankshepe Sango, in brief, I will tell you. Move further. Sparshan krutva bahirbaihyan चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवोः प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ स्पर्शान् कृत्वा बहिर्बाह्यान् चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवोः प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ स्पर्शान् कृत्वा बहिः बाह्यान् चक्षुः च एव अंतरे भ्रुवोः. Now from here this yoga starts. Introduction to yoga darshan. प्राण अपान समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ. Beautiful shloka. You see? Uh, Okay. Mm, okay. One slide is missing. I'll do Anvay here only. Because in some places, these three shlokas are together. In some places, these two shlokas are together. Let us see. Bahihi Bahyan Bahihi Bahyan Sparshan Krutva. Bahyan Sparshan Bahihi Krutva. External object, keeping them externally. Cha eva antare bhruvoh, and chakshuhu cha eva antare bhruvoh, in the center of these two eyes, bhruvoh, these two eyebrow in the center of that, they meditate. How? Prana apana samau krutva means prana, like the air which is there in the upper part of body, or you can say in nose. For navel to nose, you can say for time being prana. Because of that, which you are alive. Apana, the air which is there in the downside of the body, especially in the abdomen, you can say. So prana, that which comes up. Apana, that which goes down. Samau krutva means prana vayu, apana vayu, they are stopped. Kumbhaka Rechaka, so many things are coming. Uh, Nasabhyantara Charinau. Uh, hmm. So Nasabhyantara Pranaha. Apana, they are keeping them equal or stopping them. This process has happened because in brief Bhagavan told, but Arjuna didn't understand. So Bhagavan said, if you are asking this in short, I am going to tell you. Now let us see the verses and then we'll come up again. तरी वैराग्याचेनी आधारे जिही विषय दवडूनी बाहिरे शरीरे एकंदरे केले मन. तरी वैराग्याचेनी आधारे जिही विषय दवडूनी बाहिरे शरीरी एकंदरे केले मन. वैराग्याचेनी आधारे, with the help of dispassion, विषय दवडूनी बाहिरे, all the craving for sense object which was there, that is kicked out from this body. How? Vairagyacheni adhare, and shariri ekandare kele man. Then inside body, the thoughts which were going outside through these sense organs, they are turned inward. Now, mind is concentrated within the body, it's not going out. What happens when we sit to listen discourses? Our mind keeps wandering here and there, unnecessary. But this state is different where dispassion is so much that all the objects are stopped outside. Mind is not going out, it is inverted. Yes. Then, सहजे तिहि संधि भेटी जेथ भ्रू पल्लवा पडे गाठी तेथ पाठी मोरी दिठी पारखोनिया. सहजे तिहि संधि भेटी जेत भ्रू पल्लवा पडे गाठी तेथ पाठी मोरी दिठी पारखोनिया. Now little bit tough, complicated part is going to come. I am worried about whether I'll be able to enter into sixth chapter and come out from that sixth chapter or not. So let me take a call from my guru, because this yoga prakriya, we are not, like, I am not, capable of doing few easy sadhana sometimes. So if speaking on some yoga shastra, kundalini, this, that, I am little bit uncomfortable. But let us see, whatever I have spoke so far, and I am not like completely following it or what. I am just translating it into English. So that also can be done with the grace of Varkari Shikshan Samstha's teacher and my Guru Swami Bodhatmananda Saraswati. With their grace, anything can possible. So, uh, Sahaje Tihi Sandhi Bheti. So, Tihi means there are three main nadi, okay, in our body, they say. What is that? One is Ida. They have their locations. Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. In third chapter, we will see little bit more whatever I know. So when this Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna, Tihi, Sandhi, Bheti, when they meet, all these three meet where Dhruva Pallava Pade Gati. In the center, we can say. Hmm. And when they meet peers, I don't have any idea. Tet Pathi Mora Dithi Parakhuniya. And from there they turn back. So Ida, Pingala, Sushumna, they meet in one place and from there they turn back. This much we can understand from this. Okay. Then Sandoni Dakshinavama Pranapanasama Chittesi Vyomagamiye Kariti Sandoni Dakshinavama Pranapanasama Chittesi Vyomagamiye Kariti. In this process, so Ida Pingala, they are one in one place. So this right nostril, there is one subtle nerve, nadi going through, or this right nostril can control the some aspects of body. Okay, they are activated at some point of time in the day or night. So this is called ida, and left nostril is called uh, oh, right nostril is called pingala, and left nostril is called ida. So pingala and ida. So there are two nadis according to Yoga Shastra in our body, totally three, but now we are seeing two, Ida, Pingala and Ida. So they, with the help of this breathing, we can control everything. They say any disease you can overcome with the help of these two nadi. And if something happen, imbalance in your body, you are sick, there is some problem in this nadis. Okay. Okay. So, Purak when you inhale, Rechak when you exhale. Exhale. So, what happens? Sandoni Dakshina Vam. Mm, okay. So, the breathing is regulated, means they stop it. Then, Prana Pana Sama Prana, that air which is there in your heart up to this, you can say. This means up to the nose, and apana, that which is there in excreting place below west, that is called apana vayu. Uh, so Doing this practice, where the prana apana they are some, means kumbhak is done, everything is stopped at their place, and this mind goes, this mind goes in a chidakash or murdni akash. Word is used by vyoma. Chitte si vyoma gamye kariti. So this two nadis, dakshina vama sandoni, they are stopped. Pranapana, somehow they are stopped. The breathing control is there. And along with mind, these two nadis, they become one with Sushumna, and they go here along with mind in Murdni Akasha. Now, all these are beyond our perception. So I feel I am going to jump to seventh chapter. I am feeling difficulty here itself. Okay. So basically, what Shloka says, all the objects which are outside, they are kept outside. Prana, apana, they are sama, means they are stopped in their place. Uh, and further process is done after that. So now mind is also in that Murdni Akasha. What it is, how it is, in sixth chapter we might see. यतेन्द्रियमुनिर्बुद्धेः यतेन्द्रियमनोबुद्धिः मुनिर्मोक्षपरायणः विगतेच्छाभयक्रोधः यः सदा मुक्त एव सः यतेन्द्रियमनोबुद्धिः मुनिर्मोक्षपरायणः विगतेच्छाभयक्रोधः यः सदा मुक्त एव सः. Then let me check. No. Mhm. So actually there is now last sloka. Second last sloka. So once that is done, prana apana they are sama. Then all objects are kept outside. Okay. And all the three nadis along all the two nadis they merge in one sushumna, and that sushumna along with that mind thought vritti goes to murdni akash. Then what happens? Yatendriya yata indriya mana buddhi munihi moksha parayanah vigata ichha bhaya krodha yah sada mukta eva sah. So uh, indriya, sense organ, mana, mind, buddhi, intellect, yata. Yata means controlled. So controlled over sense organ, mind, and intellect. Munihi moksha parayana. Muni, the sage, is moksha parayana. Only one goal is there in front of him. That is moksha. Vigata ichha bhaya krodha. Vigata gone. Ichha desires. Bhaya fear. Krodha anger. Yah, that person. Sada mukta. Saha sada mukta. Eva. That person is always free, whose mind has control over sense organ, mind, intellect, who is always inclined towards moksha, and whose desires are gone from the mind. He is always free. तैसे तेथ तेथ जैसी रथोदके सकळे घेऊन गंगा समुद्री मिळे मग एक एक वेगळे निवडू नये तेथ जैसी रथ्योदके सकळे घेऊन गंगा समुद्री मिळे मग एक एक वेगळे निवडू नये. So Rathyodaka means water which is flowing from or flowing on roads. That water. Ghevoni Ganga. So Ganga, along with all waters which is flowing in gutter, which is flowing on road, which is flowing from lake, everything, all water put together, Ganga is carrying and Mile Samudri, they go and reach in Samudra, ocean. मग एक एक वेगळे निवडू नये. Then once that Ganga along with that gutter, it reaches in ocean, then we cannot say, this is this gutter water, this is lake water, and this water was flowing on road. एक एक वेगळे निवडू नये. We cannot separate them, segregate them. Yeah. तैसी वासनांतराची विवंचना मग अपैसे पारुखे अर्जुना जे वेळी गगनी लयो मना पवने किजे तैसे वासनांतराची विवंचना मग अपैसे पारुखे अर्जुना जे वेळी गगनी लयो मना पवने किजे. तैसी वासनांतराची विवंचना. Mm, Vasana, desires, many desires. So many desires are effortlessly stopped. Apaise, parakhe, apaise, effortlessly, easily. All the desires are stopped. When Jeveli, at that time when Gagani means is prana apana layo mana pavane kije. When mind has disappeared or has become one with this murdnik akasha, okay, place where yogi find peace, place where yogi finds Atma Swarupa, that we can say Murdni Akasha. In that Murdni Akasha, in that Atma Swarupa, when mind disappears, mind dissolves, in that state, Vasanantarachi Vivanchana. Now there is no desires after that because mind is merged in Atma Swarupa. Along with that, desires also gone. So no different desires. How can you explain? Yes. जेथ हे संसार चित्र उमटे तो मनोरूपू पटू फाटे जैसे सरोवर आटे मग प्रतिमा नाही. How he get moksha or how he becomes one with the swarupa in that murdni akash. जेथ हे संसार चित्र उमटे तो मनोरूपू फटपटू फाटे जैसे सरोवर आटे मग प्रतिमा नाही. Somehow Dhaneshwar Maharaj is explaining that there is no desires again, there is no world again for such person. How? So there is mano rupa pat, very beautiful and advanced example Dhaneshwar Maharaj is giving. So there is pata. Pata means a curtain on which Chitra Umate. You see, in olden days, there will be a reel. On that photo reel, there will be pictures. And one light will pass through that reel. So when that light pass through that reel, that whatever pictures are there in that reel, that will be projected on a big curtain. So Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Manorupu Patu Phate. Mind, which is like that curtain where everything appears, that itself has gone. Samsara Chitra Umate, wherever this Samsara Chitra, canvas of mind on which is painted the picture of world existence, turn apart, torn apart. So that is not there. Then what? Can you give another example? This is difficult to visualize. Yes. Jaise Sarovar Ate Maga Pratima Nahi. There is one lake, big lake. Okay. In that lake, water is not there. If water is not there, reflection will come? No. If mind is not there, then desires will come? No. If the curtain is not there, will the projection happen? No. Like that, mind is merged in Murni Akasha. Beautiful. तैसे मनपन मुदल जाय मग अहम भावादिक के आहे मनोनी शरीरेची ब्रह्म होये अनुभवितो तैसे मनपन मुदल जाय मग अहम भावादिक के आहे म्हणोनी शरीरेची ब्रह्म होये अनुभवितो तैसे मनपन मुदल जाय. His mind is gone, which is muddala. Okay. Manapana mudala zaya. When it goes. Mag aham bhavadika kya hai? Then I am body. I am body is what? One thought which is arising from mind. If that mind itself is not there, means it is negated. Not that mind will disappear. Mind is there, but it is negated, falsified. Then aham bhavadika kya hai? I am this body. Everything will go away. Mhanoni sharirechi brahma hoye anubhavito. In this body itself, sharirechi brahma hoye. Sharirechi brahma hoye. And anubhavito, or he is anubhavi, experienced one, because he cannot experience Brahma separate from him. So he understands I am Brahma in this body itself. This is the best clear cut meaning. Sharirechi Brahma hoye anubhavi. To, if you want to say he experience, so he understands. That's all. Nothing more than that. भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिं रुच्छति शान्तिं रुच्छति Yajna tapasam bhoktaram, one who is the enjoyer of this yajna and tapa. Sarva bhutanam surut, one who is friend of all human beings. Sarva loka maheshwaram, one who is the wielder of all three lokas. Mam jnatva, to knowing that God, Shantim Richati, person reaches Ashanti. So one who is enjoyer of all sacrifices and penance, one who is friend of all human beings, and one who is wielder of all three worlds, to such God, if you know Shantim Richati, you will read, you will reach Shanti. आम्ही मागा सांगितले जे देहीची ब्रह्मत्व पावले ते येणे मार्गे आले म्हणवणिया आम्ही मागाहण सांगितले जे देहीची ब्रह्मत्व पावले ते येणे मार्गे आले म्हणवणिया सो whatever Bhagwan said before, what abhito brahma nirvanam, in this body itself he reaches Brahman. आम्ही मागाहण सांगितले, whatever we taught before, what we taught we forgot, we'll remind you. जे देहीची ब्रह्मत्व पावल, in this body itself they attend moksha. ते येणे मार्गे आले म्हणवनिया, they came through this way. What is that way? You control your breath, you control your sense organ, you keep yourself away from all sense objects, and prana, apana, kumbhaka, rechak, everything you do, and you do laya of, dissolve your mind along with, in that sushumna, along with uh, Sushumna Nadi, where Ida Pingala has dissolved, along with that Sushumna Nadi, when the mind goes in Murni Akasha, then all the thoughts are gone, everything gone. In that way, Ali. So that is the process. What is that? यमनियमांचे डोंगर अभ्यासाचे सागर क्रमोनी हे पार पातले ते यमनियमांचे डोंगर अभ्यासाचे नि सागर क्रमोनी हे पार पातले ते and there is lot of hardships. What is that? Yama niyama. Yama 5. Niyama 5 practices. Yama when you are with yourself. Yama niyama. Yama means, yeah, when you are with yourself, aparigraha, santosha, all this. Niyama, different 5. Dongar, they are like big, big mountains. To have one out of 5 yama is like a crossing one mountain. And people have crossed that. They are great, great yogis. Yama niyamanche dongar, abhyasache sagar. Abhyasa means keep on practicing, controlling your mind, activating Ida, Pingala, then taking them in Sushumna, then mind all the thoughts diverting towards Atma Swarupa and whatnot. Abhyasache sagar. So much is there. Then, having done all this, Kramoni he par patalete. Kramoni, having crossed everything, they came to this Brahmatva avastha. तिही आपण पे करोणी निर्लेप प्रपंचाचे घेतले माप मग साचाचे निरूप होऊनी ठेले तिही आपण पे करोणी निर्लेप प्रपंचाचे घेतले माप मग साचाचे ची रूप होऊनी ठेले तिही आपण पे करोनी निर्लेप इन दिस वे दे हॅव purified themselves. प्रपंचाचे घेतले माप. They have understood this prapancha. Okay? Prapancha, they have understood. It is mithya in that sense. मग साचाचे चिरूप होऊन ठेले. And then they became Brahma. They remained as Brahma. Means they understood they are Brahma. So, first, they detach themselves, entire spirituality in one verse. Detach, understand the nature of world, and become one with the God. Or understand your nature with the God. Beautiful. ऐसे योग युक्तीचा उद्देशु जेथ बोलिला ऋषिकेशु तेथ अर्जुनु सदंशु म्हणून चमत्कारिला ऐसा योगयुक्तीचा उद्देशु जेथ बोलिला ऋषिकेशु तेथ अर्जुनु सदंशु म्हणून चमत्कारिला. So, ऐसा योगयुक्तीचा उद्देशु. So, such teaching Bhagwan Krishna expounded. Yoga Yukta. This yoga Bhagwan expounded. Jeta Bolila Rushikeshu, where Bhagwan said, expounded about this yoga. Arjuna was surprised because of that. So, Sadamshu Arjunu Mhanoni Chamatkarila. Arjuna was surprised, and Arjuna is very, very clever. So he was surprised. What happens with us? We are not that clever to understand what Krishna is saying. So we say, yeah, yeah, I have gone through Gita. And Gurudev used to say, okay, you have gone through Gita. Now let the Gita go through you. This is a different way of putting it. Only Gurudev can explain it more. But let Gita go through you. Now you should follow Gita. Okay, you have understood everything. Now follow. Te dekhiliya Krishne zan. And now this is Jnaneshwari. Arjuna was surprised. Krishna understood that, and Krishna is saying following words. ते देखिलिया कृष्णे जाणितले मग हसोनी पार्था ते म्हणितले ते काही पा चित्त वाहिले ये बोली तुझे ते देखिलिया कृष्णे जाणितले when Krishna saw the light shine in Arjuna's eyes, then पार्था ते हसोनी म्हणितले भगवान smiled and he said to Arjuna what? ते काही पाचित्त उआइले ये बोली तुझे. So your mind has brought in your mind little bit peace has come. ये बोली तुझे whatever I spoke so far, because of that there is some peace, joy, different conception in your mind. And तव अर्जुन म्हणे वाव. तव अर्जुन म्हणे देवो परचित्त लक्षणांचा रावो भला जाणीतला जी भावो माणसू माझा. तव अर्जुन म्हणे देवो परचित्त लक्षणांचा रावो भला जाणीतला जी भावो माणसू माझा. तव अर्जुन म्हणे. Then when Bhagavan said, oh, you are astonished by this knowledge. तव अर्जुन म्हणे देवो. Then Arjuna said, yeah, परचित्त लक्षणाचा राव, you are the king of others' mind. Oh Bhagwan, you understand what is going on in others' mind. And he say, जी, respect. भावो भला जाणितला माणसो माझा. You understood my feeling. You understood what I want now, Bhagwan. You could understood that. Then now this is love. So whatever Arjuna's mind was talking inside, Bhagwan could guess it. Oh. म्या जे काही विवरोणी पुसावे ते आधीची कळिले देवे तरी बोलिले तेची सांगावे विवळ करोनी. म्या जे काही विवरोणी पुसावे ते आधीची कळिले देवे तरी बोलिले तेची सांगावे विवळ करोनी. म्या जे काही विवरोणी पुसावे, वॉट एव्हर आय वॉन्ट टू एलॅबरेट अँड आस्क यू, ते आधीची कळिले देवे, दॅट इज ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड बाय यू ओ भगवान. Now what I should tell? Already you know what I want to ask. That is called Bhagwan, who is Sarvajna. Sarvam Janati. He knows everything. In fact, what is happening in everyone's mind, he knows everything. Means he is revealing everything. And if that totality you consider as God, yes, it knows also what is happening in your mind. Now Arjuna requests Bhagwan, Bolile, whatever you have said already, Techi Sangave, that only you should tell me again. Bolile Techi Sangave, whatever you have said, Vivada Karoni, that only you elaborate, make it so simple that everyone can understand, O Bhagavan. So when Bhagavan is saying, am I talking something deep? Or no, Bhagavan, we are not able to understand. So, okay. So Bhagavan will talk last. Shloka, next class will be the last class. Few 16 verses are remaining. Very easy, easy. No big concepts are there. But today it was little bit heavy because yoga darshan and all, it's difficult to explain for me. It may be easy for anyone, but for me little bit difficult because experience is not there. The terms are also different. Ida pingala means right nostril. Right nostril means not pingala. There is one subtle nerve in this body which is controlled by right nostril. There is something called ida, left nostril. Means it is controlled by left nostril, and sushumna somewhere in the center. They say it goes from center of your body. and these two go from here. So in the where the two things meet, there they meditate and all. So all these things. Shakti today Ganesha ji, so we'll sing Ganesha. This week is Ganesha week. Shakti Sahita Ganapatim Shankaradi Sevitam विरक्त सकल मुनिवर सुरराज विनुत गुरुगुहम शक्ति सहित गणपतिम शंकरादि सेवितम विरक्त सकल मुनिवर सुरराज विनुत गुरुगुहम भक्ताळि पोषकम भवसुतं विनायकम भक्ताळि पोषकम भवसुतं विनायकम भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदम भूषितांगम रक्तपादाम्बुजं भावयामि शक्ति सहित गणपतिं शंकरादिसेवितं विरक्त सकल मुनिवर सुरराज विनुत गुरुगुहम् ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलीक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय गणपति बाप्पा मोरया मंगल मूर्ति मोरया।